have my skillet heating on high heat right now. Now I'm going to add my mushrooms and garlic and then saute those a little bit so that they get tender, just for about 3 to 5 minutes. You don't even have to use oil. You can just dry saute this, and if you want, you can add a splash of water if it starts looking too dry. While our mushrooms and garlic are sauteing, I'm going to go ahead and take this time to start smearing my tortillas with the refried beans. Okay, the mushrooms are slightly cooled. I put them into this dish, so now I'm just going to put them into my tortillas like this. I'm going to make sure I don't use too much in each one. Okay. Now I have my skillet on again. I'm heating that up because I'm going to throw these in there for a little bit just to kind of cook them ahead of time so that when I go to reheat them, they've already been in the skillet a little bit. Okay. Now I'm going to take the other side of the tortilla. I'm going to spread a little bit more of the beans on this side of the tortilla. This will help them stick together and use up more of the beans. And it'll help it stick to all the others. Okay, and then just press them together like that. Now I have my skillet nice and hot. Okay, so this is what they look like in the skillet. I'm just going to let it cook for about 1 minute on each side, and then I'm going to transfer them all to this cooling rack so they can cool down before I cut them in half and place them into our meal prep containers. Okay, we're in the final home stretch here. All we have to do now is package our mushroom and bean stuffed tortillas. We're going to use these 3-compartment Bentgo containers. These are really great because these are extra large, but these are going to be able to fit these mushroom stuffed tortillas in them, and I'll show you how I do that next. First, we're just going to cut these in half once they've cooled nicely, and then we can put these into our meal prep container. I'm going to put them in this section here. So when you're ready to eat these, you can eat them like this, or you can pop this into the microwave, or you can take these out and just put them into a skillet for like a minute or two, and then that way they'll be nice and warm. But then we're going to put some of our extra cabbage, which is going to be like the nice crunchy side dish. We have a lot of extra cabbage here, so we might as well just fill this up so we can eat it. And then we're going to take our salsa, and then we're going to put that into this empty container, and then that will be the dinners.